Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks?
Incoming! Loser.
All that hard work.
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.